Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a quick look at accent and how to neutralize it. If we want to communicate effectively, we should have a neutral accent that can be understood globally by people from all countries. If you see in the cartoon image in this video, it says, "Why do I have to learn? Why can't I stay the way I am? What's the point of this? Why do things have to be this way? Why can't things be different?" Once again, it's important for us to be able to speak neutrally so that people from different countries who have different accents can understand us. Why do we need to learn English? As we all know, English is widely used beyond the population of its native speakers, which means that English is spoken in many countries across the world. And when we speak correct English, we will be able to be understood by people from different countries. It will help us to communicate with people from different backgrounds. What is an accent? Very simple words. Accent is the manner in which words are pronounced and a language is spoken. How you pronounce any word gives the accent for that particular word. How does your accent become different, or what are the factors that influence your accent are listed here. There could be three factors. Primarily, it could be the regional background, could be the social background, or it could be the phonetic habits of the speakers of the native language. Regional background, social background, or phonetic habits are all directly linked to a very simple term, which is where we were born, what is the language that we speak at home, and how we tend to learn English or where we learned English. How does Indian English influence pronunciation? Indian accents vary greatly from those to a pure British to those learning towards a more vernacular tinted speech. This is because a major reason for this oral gap is between the erstwhile rulers and us is because the Indian script is phonetic. We see and read each letter, whereas words in English are read as a whole. Sometimes some syllables are not pronounced and sometimes some words are left silent, whereas in our mother tongue, each and every letter in a word is pronounced. But in English, there could be letters which are not pronounced or are left silent. That could be one of the primary reasons why our English sounds different from the native speakers. Here are some examples of common words where we could have a difference in pronunciation because of our regional influence. Very common words are listed here. For example, doctor. That is the right pronunciation, whereas we may find people saying doctor. Or just. Just is just go there. But we may hear people using it or saying it as jest. Or X-ray could be pronounced as X-ray. Jokes, jocks. Roads, rods. Words like that. We also have three more samples listed here which are very common. Snacks, toys, and cricket. Cricket is a very commonly used word in the country but is pronounced incorrectly many a times. It is called cricket. Therefore, it is important for us to pronounce words correctly without any influence from our mother tongue. Very simple tip is do not look at the spelling of the word. Listen to the sound of the word. It is the sound of the word that we should try to copy and use rather than looking at the spelling to decide the pronunciation. There are four words listed here where the pronunciation is very different from the spelling. The first word is plumber, but most of us would call it plumber, which is incorrect. The next word is debt, but many people will call it debt or debt. Then you have receipt, but we may call it receipt. Incorrect again. Cucumber, that is the fourth word, but many people may call it cucumber. So you see, when we look at the spelling to decide at the pronunciation, there can be errors in how we pronounce those words. Once again, the factors influencing effective communication are listed here: grammar and accent. Under accent, you have pronunciation, stress patterns, intonation, and tone. We will be looking at them in the upcoming videos. Please remember that what is important is to speak correct and right English, but most of us give importance to style over language. When someone speaks our mother tongue, we notice two things: grammatical errors and incorrect pronunciation that the speaker makes. Similarly, when we speak English, our focus should be on speaking without any mistakes, rather than speaking with style. When we try to copy an accent, it sounds artificial. Always speak naturally and correctly. That will make you a neutral speaker who can be understood across the globe by people from different backgrounds. Thank you for watching. Do click on the like button, share and subscribe.